So I finally managed to complete a Lancia Stratos Zero, Hot Wheel sized. I'll admit it, it's not 100% perfect, but it's not bad. Here's what it started out as. My friend 3D printed it, but it was very thin, so I had to fill it in and whatever. So this is actually a plastic, made a silicone mold of my. I should have brought the original down, but I don't. But to show you the size of it here, here's a Carabo Hot Wheels scale, basically. Another one here. I kind of like this blue color, but yeah. So it's been about a year in the works to transform it from this into this. Making a new mold because the other one had some technical difficulties, little tiny micro air bubbles and such. But all in all, I don't think it turned out too bad. Stratos Zero a few years back, and always kind of liked the looks of it. Both these are one-off concept cars. That's right, I got another one in my pocket. It's cold out here. It's affecting my mind today. Ferrari 512S, was it Berlinetta Speciale or something? Haven't got it quite finished off. Windshield's not painted, no wheels, etc. But so that was going to be my lineup of cool concept cars. So 3 of those guys, since I like all 3 of them. So anyway, just having some fun here while we got some more snow again. I moved my hobbies indoors in the winter, since it's not quite so hospitable outside. But anyway, it's getting cold out here, so hope you like my Stratos Zero there. See, it's been a long time in the works, and a lot of sanding and filling and painting and different things. So, but there it is. Thought I would show the stages I went through here. So like I said, my friend 3D printed this car. It's very thin, and as you can see on this one, the bottom portion here is missing. So he did 3 of them, and I picked the best one, and it's encased in here. This is my mold master here. Had to add a windshield to it and sand it down, completed all that, and then from that I made silicone mold, and then put the plastic in the mold, and this is what I end up with. And you gotta sand again. I don't know why it's all scratched up there, but anyway, just sand the air bubbles, fill and sand the air bubbles out, and then in the end I ended up with that. So I'm going to make a new mold that hopefully will get rid of the, I don't know if you can see it there, down in this area here, you see the little bubbles, and they're causing me so much grief. But anyway, that's the multi-stage process to making a little car like this. Then of course you have to make I make the tires also. You could buy a Hot Wheels with the proper size tires and rim pattern you want, and put them on. Probably have to chop the axles because they're not going to fit, but because this one, it's got bigger tires on the back than the front, and so just different sizes required. So anyway, just custom building things. Oh yeah, and I was looking on the Hot Wheels website last night, and it appears that this year Hot Wheels may be releasing a Lancia Stratos Zero HF. So I'll be looking for those at Walmart and places, but may have to order them online or something. But anyway, so everybody take care.